Hi guys, do you also have this kind of clutter in your home? If yes, please continue watching to see how I deal with them in our home. Also, you can download free printables just like this. Or if you want a personalized one with your child's name on it just like this ones, all you have to do is watch until the end for the mechanics. So the moment these masterpieces enter our home, I collect them and put them in a box like this. My children or I would usually choose one to display on their designated corkboard, which is located in the toy room. At the end of the school year, we would choose some pieces to keep, and I usually keep those pieces with pictures on them, just like this one, which was made by my eldest back in 2011 when she was just in kindy. I also keep greeting cards just like these ones, which I recently received from my twins for Mother's Day. Another way to store them is to put them in a scrapbook like this. These ones from school last year. I love how I could just keep it as is since they've done it already at school. I wish everything comes back like this one. But anyways, we can easily do it at home too. You can use magazines or yellow pages too. Well, at least for their smaller creations. I can't use mine because I've already used them for something else. Other than scrapbooks, magazines, or yellow pages, you can use binder folders too. Just put some labels and it's gonna be looking so organized already. And finally, the most uncluttering way to store them is by taking pictures of each of them and save them into your computer hard drive. You and your children will have lots of fun looking back to this in the future, minus the clutter. Now for the better part, if you want to download the free printables, just go to the description below and you can choose the color you want to print out. There's pink, purple, white, green, and blue. I would also appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel. And finally, for the personalized label, first you have to like this video, subscribe, and if you could share it to friends who would be interested, I would greatly appreciate it. Next, you have to comment down below artwork plus the color of your choice. This is only for the first 10 people who comment and will be open until Sakshi is satisfied. Thank you guys, hope you'll support me and hope to see you in the next one.